double hoop there. So this is how the chain looks like. Hey guys! Annyeong magandang araw! It's Jem here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing another haul, and Luisa actually sent me this cute brown box and it's full of jewelry inside. But before I show you the products, I'm gonna be talking about the brand first for you guys to know briefly about it. And Luisa is actually a ethical and sustainable jewelry brand, and they were the first jewelry brand to be carbon neutral, and that means they try to omit their environment waste and they try to reduce their carbon footprint. They actually try to minimize the way they send their packages, and this box right here is an example. They try to recycle a lot of stuff, and here is what it says. It's made from 100 recycled paper, and it says please continue the cycle. And these days there's more people who's trying to be environmentally conscious, and I hope that you're one of it. I'm trying my best. Their commitment is actually called, or like their line is jewelry in and carbon out. And what I love about these pieces that I'm about to show you is that it looks vintage. You know those things that you see on your grandmother's treasure box? And yeah, they sent me 3 of their products. I actually chose this, and there's 3 of them. Also, make sure to check the link below to see their products. Their products start at $39, and for those of you who live in the UAE, you might ask me, oh, how can I convert it into dirhams? It's actually already there for you to see. And yeah, I picked 1 necklace and 2 earrings, and I'm about to show you. And you guys, they're not kidding with their packaging. What I love also about this is it's not just in plastic, because they try again to be sustainable. So it comes in like packets like this. This one is velvety, so I have 2. The earrings come inside, and this one is the necklace. And yeah, it's just like cute that they really try to give their best in the packaging. So this one is like in gold plating and gold chain and thin necklace, and there's like a let me lessen there's like a rose there inside. Okay, so after 5 minutes or more, then I asked my mom just like to help me and wear this, but I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys to see how it looks like. I also removed the plastic already. Okay, so this is how the chain looks like, and look at that, it's so cute. I don't know, it reminded me of Beauty and the Beast because it's a rose. So yeah, it's really cute, and it's very basic, but at the same time it's fancy because it looks vintage. So yeah, this is the first one that was sent to me, which I chose. The second one is this earrings right here, the first one. And this is actually my favorite, and it just looks so gorgeous. It looks like my mom's earrings before when she was like younger. So you know, when I received the package, I was like, Mom, look at the jewelry that it got. Okay, let me zoom in real quick for you to see how the earrings look like. Yeah, it's like double hoop, and then there's a smaller one and the big one. And actually, I picked this because it looks fancy. I look mature. I actually tried it on already. But yeah, I look mature, and when I was younger, my mom usually buys me like gold earrings as well. So I don't know, I just love this so much. This is my favorite piece from all the things that I have received. I'm not saying I don't like the other ones, but like among all of it, this is like my favorite. Like I could just wear this and go out and look fancy. And then the last product is, it's here. It's another earrings, and it's this one. It reminded me of like my younger days when I have this kind of dangly piece of earrings, but it's still simple. So this is the last earrings, and it's cute. It's cute. Look at that. Okay. Isn't it cute? I want to stack them together, but I don't have any other piercings except this one, and I don't plan to put more piercings, but I want to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is how the last one looks like. I love it. Like seriously, if I could just like stack them, I would like put it here, this one here, and then my favorite earrings on my main lobe, my main ear pierce, I mean. And yeah, don't I look like fancy today? Fancy you. Okay, so I actually tried to stack it. There we go. I didn't really stick it because I don't have a hole in my ear. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Again, please make sure to check the description box and click the link to see the products that they offer and the sustainable pieces that they have on their website. And also make sure to follow them on their Instagram page. And they have their ongoing sale right now, so make sure to grab that opportunity and get your pieces now. They have tons of designs, and they also have rings, they also have bracelets. So yeah, if you're a fan of sustainable brands and jewelry pieces, make sure to check out Ana Luisa. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below anything, any suggestions, anything that you want to say to me. And don't forget to share this video as well. And yeah, I'll see you guys on another video. Annyeong! God bless! Bye bye!